Ladies and gentlemen, it is early on Monday, April the 11th, 2022. I'm going over the following. So in the email that I just sent you, you will get information on the Alexa number 1 disposal well, the raging cajun number 2, 3 horizontal well, as well as the raging cajun number 4 that we were getting ready to drill. If you have any questions about those emails at all, or that email, and you have questions about any of the videos or anything that we've sent you, let us know. You all have been wonderful people. We've enjoyed working with you. As you know, we have dealt with some very hectic situations that have resulted in some disruptions within our organization. And so by that, I mean, we've had people succeed, their predecessors, which in turn have created problems. So what we decided to do was basically create an IT department out of Houston, which is in turn created a way for everybody to get paid electronically and ensure that you get paid on time. We have a system, it's called MailChimp. They'll send you an email that says you have an update. So you'll need to log into your account. You log in, you'll see the update when you log into legacyexploration.com using your credentials. And then you'll be able to see how much money was put into your account if you filled out Routable. By filling out Routable, it will allow you to be paid electronically and on time every time. In the meantime, we're getting everybody caught up through January's revenue just as soon as we can, but we've got to do the K1s first. Please bear with us. It is going to take us time to do this. I think we can get you an estimate. I'm not sure, but we're going to do the best that we can to get you an estimate for any joint ventures that you have questions about. But there should have been a document dump for several of you, particularly in the raging cajun 2A, 2B, 2C, 3A, 3B, raging cajun 4.5 multi-well A, 007, and Alexa number 1 saltwater disposal well. So other than that, email owner@legacyexploration.com if you have questions. If you can't reach your account executive, call me. I'll be happy to answer. If I can't answer, you'll understand why. We have over 400 partners. If you'll send me a text, I will reply in the order that it was received. We are doing the very best we can to catch up. But unfortunately, some of these guys, their predecessors, created a lot of distractions for us, but we are getting through that. I can assure you that within 30 to 60 days, we're going to be right back on track. We're getting all this stuff done now. In fact, you want me in the field. You want me taking care of your joint ventures. You guys want me to make sure that I can make you the most money I can possibly make you, not dealing with tax documents and data dumps and administrative stuff. You want me right here in the oil field where I can make you some money, and that's what I'm going to do. So by all means, we plan on answering every question that you have, but I think it's very important for you to know that I will also be here to answer those questions for you just as quickly as we can, as quickly as I can. But please know that within 30 to 60 days, we should have everything in order. All your revenue should be caught up. All of your K1 should have been sent to you, as well as Routable. If you're getting that email from Routable, fill it out. Your money should be sent to you via ACH on time, every time. And then, of course, MailChimp will send you the updates that you can see through email. We should have new administrative support probably within about a week or so, week to 10 days, and you'll have another source of contact there too. We appreciate all you guys being patient with us. You guys have been with us. Many of you guys and girls have been with us for years and years and years, and we really appreciate it. So thank you very much, and make it a great week. God bless. Ciao.